Nothing is, nothing was, nothing will ever be protected like the Quran. I would like to repeat the topic. Nothing is, nothing was, nothing will ever be protected like the Quran. And when I give this statement as a Muslim, it is not a blind belief, but it is based on evidences and fact. It is just like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, the sermon is in continuation of the explanation of Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 2. Zalikal kitabu la raiba fi. Allah said, there is no doubt whatsoever in this big book, being a revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.